Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and I am JohnAvanti, and in this video we're going to be talking about boats. And a big problem people have is water in their motors. And how do they get water in their motors? That's usually through the fuel tank. And what a lot of people oversee and not inspect and not do any maintenance on is their fuel caps. So here's a brand new fuel cap for my boat, and let me show you the old fuel. A perfect example of a new fuel cap and then old fuel cap. So you can see on the old fuel cap how the gasket, or the rubber gasket, is flat and doesn't look pliable, and it's very discolored. It has no shine to it. Where on the new fuel cap, the gasket is rounded and it has pliability. It's soft. So I think what's happening is if you don't replace the gasket, or the gasket and the fuel cap, I don't think you need to replace the whole fuel cap. You could just remove this gasket. But I'm going to keep the two of them, because in case I'm fueling up and I drop one in the water, I have this. I'm not sure if this floats, but still, I'm going to have two fuel caps just in case, because my fuel fill doesn't have anywhere to attach the little chain to, so you don't lose the fuel cap. So I would recommend that you guys go out and check your fuel caps, check the gaskets, and make sure they're sealed, because even though this sits like this inside the fuel fill, water can still seep around if this is not making a really good seal. Now the other place where water can get into the fuel tank is through the fuel sending switch. So a lot of people, they don't realize that this gasket that goes on top of the fuel tank, and then the fuel sending switch sits on top of it, this makes a seal around it. And I would put silicone around the whole thing anyway to keep water out, because when you get water in your tank, you can get corrosion, you can get all kinds of problems with your engine, you can destroy your fuel tank. So what I would recommend is just check these things out. I just put a new fuel sending switch, and the one that I took out, you can see in a previous video that I did how to fix your fuel tank. I mean, it was just gone, and there was tons of water getting in the boat, and I did siphon it all out. So yeah, this is what I would recommend. Just go out, buy a new one, a new fuel cap, whichever one fits your boat. This is the one that fits my boat, and you should be okay. I don't think you're going to get any water in it. And definitely get a few water separator. That helps. And you can just look around and see if there's any other places where water can get in. And if there's a gasket, just seal it up. You know, just get a new gasket. So I get the new fuel cap on, and when I tighten it compared to the old one, I can feel a better seal. I mean, it definitely seals better. So this is a very easy thing to check, is just check your fuel cap and make sure the water doesn't get in through here, because rainwater, I mean, it rains all the time and you're going to get water. I would even say maybe take these screws out, which I might do, and put a little silicone underneath. But the water won't get in the tank from here. It'll just go in the bilge and go out. But the water can get in through here. You know what I mean? So, all right, keep an eye out for it. Take care, peace out, God bless you, and see you again on the next video.